Welcome to this video demonstration. My name is Ejike Obasi. In this video, I will show you my progress on SQL tutorials on W3 platform. I will also show you the differences between DQL and DML, data query language and data manipulation language. I will also show you the resources that I have found that will help me understand SQL tutorials and what informed my understanding and decision. So once again, welcome to this video. You can see my progress 52%. This is my profile, Ejike Obasi, on W3Schools platform. Also, the differences between DQL data query language and DML data manipulation language is that DQL queries the database. It retrieves data that is already existing in the database. Examples of DQL commands include the select command, which asks questions of the database, filters, source, and formats results. It does not change or modify data, it only reads the data. Example of using the select command is select from customers where city is equal to Dallas. This query returns data but does not change anything. For the data manipulation language, the purpose is to create, change, or remove data stored in a table. Common commands include the insert command, the update, and the delete commands. The insert command adds new rows to a table. The update command changes existing data, and the delete command removes the data. So these are the differences between the DQL and DML. As you can see, the example of such DML queries: update customer set city equals to Austin, where customer ID equals to 5. This modifies data inside the table. So this is the difference between data query language and data manipulation language. Lastly, these are the resources I found that informed my understanding of SQL tutorials. Programming with Mosh, SQL tutorial for beginners. This YouTube video offers clear, beginner-friendly intro covering select, insert, update, and delete commands. The Kevin Strovart SQL tutorial full database course for beginners is also a YouTube resource that provides great hands-on demos using SQL Server and SSMS. The Free Code website, which offers deep insights with exercises covering DQL and the DML, and other additional resources that I found. Thank you for watching this video. Also, these are some of the exercises I have completed. As you can see, using the SQL null values, I have completed this exercise. I have also completed this exercise using the SQL update command, update customers set city equals to Oslo. I have also completed this exercise and many more. So thank you once again for watching this video.